zone. 3D printers, humming gadgets, finding a home. From Z-wobble fixes to smart home tricks, we're building the future, click by click. TechWiz 36999, let's level up the game. Shawn Burton's got the spark to ignite the flame. DIY reviews and tutorials so clear. Subscribe, join the crew, the tech world's right here. Cybersecurity tips, gaming gear we explore. Hands-on solutions, we're opening the door. Beginner and maker, we're all in this fight. Ask questions, share projects, let's shine that light. TechWiz 36999, let's learn the game. Shawn Burton's got the start to ignite the flame. DIY reviews and tutorials so play. Shawn's clack, start the crew, the tech world right here.
Hey peeps, viewers, and subscribers, it's Shawn back again with another unboxing of another item that I purchased recently. The other item I purchased recently, I like to have something that is portable and small, and you don't have to bring cord out for just small jobs. This is a wireless battery-powered soldering iron that I purchased recently. It has a digital display soldering iron and everything as well. And let's open this up and take a look. Comes in some nice looking boxing, white and black accents. Okay, so box. Okay, comes with a manual. And comes with a USB charge cord. Obviously, it's wireless. And you open it up. It's the case. So it's a storage case that you put it in. So it is black. This thing is kind of a little hard to open. Preemptively took a look at this. Okay, so the cover just pops off. So you open it up. Comes with a tool stand to put it in. So you don't have to worry about ruining surfaces. You just put it in there like that and put it in the stand. And it comes with 3 different type of tips, soldering tips. Comes with no, I thought this was supposed to come with different tips. Okay. Oh no, I see. Comes, they're just different on the end. So it comes with one that's 45 end on it. Comes to a tip. And then we have another one that is a sharp point, and the other one's a sharp point, but it has 45 on it as well. But it's not straight; it's round, and it's 45. And the other one's completely round, and the other one is flat on both sides and cut on 45. So, for different types of soldering and such, like that. So basically, you just take this, slide this back in, and store it in the case, so everything is where it should be. And here's the soldering iron. Right here. Small, portable. And you charge it by normal USB, no charger required. And it has, you can adjust, that's what it looks like turned on. You can adjust the temperature up or down, and you just hold the button in and it'll turn it on, and you just hold it again and turn the button off. The USB cord that you plug into charge is on the very bottom base, so you just take your head tips and plug them in there, and just use the different tips for different type of soldering. Now what I'm going to do is this is battery powered, so I don't know I figured I'd give it a try. I don't know how well that's going to solder, or if it's going to get hot enough to do what I want it to do. So basically, in another video, when I go to do some soldering to repair something, I will do a video on this, on the soldering process, and then I'll give you a further review on the item. But they didn't put any grip or anything on the cover to store it. Then what you can do is you can take this stand and you can take your USB cable. I don't know if you can fit it in there. There's no way you're getting a USB cable in there. Not even maybe. No, you're definitely not. That's it. So basically, you can't put the USB cable in the case. That's not good to you if you go portable and you forget the cable. You won't be able to charge it. So what I think I'll do is I'll save this box, and I think I'll just put it right back in this box. So then everything is all together and I don't have to worry about losing anything. Okay, and put the cable in there. Alright. There's packaging. There's the solder line. Manual. Put it back in. Pour it back in. And put it back in the box like this. Just move it into the box. And just leave it all together in the box so nothing goes missing. And just store it in my toolbox like that. So that is the wireless soldering iron. When I do get a chance to use it, I'll do a video on it, and I'll get some comments on here, what I think, and if it is worth a purchase or not. You can contact me. You can hit like, subscribe, and comment at the bottom. Just let me know if you like this content. If you like some different content, I'll give it a try. And you can hit here, 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 and here, and you can watch my other content that I have available. And if you like this content, just let me know. And hit the bell at the bottom. Will notify you when new content is available. And another thing as well, it doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Hit like, subscribe, and I do thank you for all the support. Keep up the support, and hit subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And it does help my channel a lot, and it gives me the ability to offer more content in the future. And this is Gadget signing out. Peace. And there'll be the same gadget time, same gadget channel.
It's TechWiz 36999, Shawn's in the zone. 3D printers, humming gadgets, finding a home. From Z-Wobble fixes to smart home tricks, we're building a future click by click. TechWiz 36999, let's level up the game. Shawn Burton's got the spark to ignite the flame. DIY reviews and tutorials so clear. Subscribe, join the crew, the tech world's right here. Cybersecurity tips, gaming gear we explore. Hands-on solutions, we're opening the door. Beginner and maker, we're all in this fight. Ask questions, share projects, let's shine that light. Swiss 36999, let's learn the game. Shawn records that the start, you can make it flame. DIY, reuse it to toy glue, so play. Shawn's clack, drop the crew, attack the world,